Hello guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing these items I got from Temu. A 4K digital camera, a 3-axis gimbal, and this electric toothbrush. For those who don't know, Temu is an online marketplace that offers a wide range of products at highly competitive prices. They offer free shipping from items shipped from Temu and free returns for up to 90 days. Also, if you download the Temu app using the link in the description, you will get up to 200,000 Naira coupon bundle, and that is about $125, and a 70% discount when you use my code on the screen right now. So, moving on to the review, starting with the 3-axis gimbal. This budget-friendly gimbal promises smooth and shake-free videos. I got it for 74,000 Naira, but you can get yours right now for 37,000 Naira if you are a first-time Temu app user. Inside the box, we have the user manual, we have an instruction card that also has a QR code for the setup video tutorial, a micro USB charging cable, and a small tripod. Out of the box, the gimbal is sort of grayish in color, like a deep grayish color. It has a smooth feel with a matte finish. The grip is comfortable and sturdy. The gimbal is made of plastic, and to me it feels a little bit too plasticky, but that is fine as it makes the gimbal lightweight enough for long shooting sessions. Right here, there is an important instruction that reads, "No mobile phone installed. Do not turn on this device." So you're not expected to turn on this gimbal without first mounting your phone. It has a stabilizer design with a smartphone clamp that fits most devices. To properly mount your phone on the gimbal, just put your phone in here just like this. Ensure your phone is well positioned before turning on the gimbal. To balance your phone properly on the gimbal, release the knob and then gently pull out here. Keep adjusting it until the weight of your phone stops tilting too much onto one side. You can also use this instruction card to understand what I just explained better. There is also a micro USB port for charging the gimbal by the side here. So once your phone is well balanced on the gimbal, you can go ahead to turn on the device. For the function buttons, we have all the buttons located here as you can see. We have the power button here, which also serves as the mode button for switching between stabilization modes. The big button here is the joystick that pans the phone left and right or up and down, depending on what you want to achieve. There is also a shutter button that locks the focus, and also the zoom wheel that controls zoom in and zoom out when paired with the app. Speaking of app, for you to be able to access the full function of this gimbal, you need to scan the QR code on the user manual for a quick download of the app from the App Store or the Play Store, or you can simply search for the Gimbal Play on your App Store or your Play Store and then download it on your phone. Using the companion app is a must because it takes this gimbal to a new level. From the app, you can set up the gesture control where you can use the slap or the V gesture to start counting down to record, and then use the fist to switch between photo to video mode. There is an intelligent follow button for face tracking, body tracking, and object tracking, which is very easy to set up. Just bring the face, the body, or the object you want to track closer to the camera, and once it is marked, the camera gets to follow the face or the object wherever it goes as far as it is still within the camera frame. There are options to record time-lapse, slow motion, and multi-camera shooting, which is the same as dual recording, where you record with both the front and the back camera at the same time. There is also the photo button, the Hitchcock button, and the video button. There is a filter button where you can select any preferred filter to record in, which is very useful for vlogging or solo content creators. We also have the settings button at the top right, where you can access the other features of the app, including the white balance. This gimbal has multiple stabilization modes to help you get the smoothest shots possible. 1. The pan follow mode, which moves the camera left and right smoothly while keeping tilt stable. 2. Lock mode, which keeps the camera locked in one direction no matter how you move. Now let's go ahead to see how well this budget gimbal stabilizes footage. While walking, the footage is noticeably smoother compared to when you just have your phone handheld. While running, it holds up pretty well. There is still a little bounce, but much better when compared to without using the gimbal at all. When it comes to panning, it is super fluid, exactly what you need for cinematic shots. Generally for videos, the footage looks way more stable, making it perfect for vlogs or travel content. So, in summary of this gimbal, this PTZ 3-axis gimbal, While the gimbal may not have the best build quality, it offers smooth stabilization. It is lightweight, it offers decent battery life, extra features like object tracking, and for the price, it is a good budget option for those who want buttery smooth videos without breaking the bank. Now, moving on to reviewing the second product I got from Temu, which is this electric toothbrush. I got mine for 28,000 naira, but you can get yours for 8,500 naira if you are a first-time Temu app user. All you have to do is to download the Temu app right now using the link in the description to have access to this price and amazing discounts on other products. Starting with the items we have in the box. We have 8 replacement heads packaged in 2 smaller packs with 4 heads in each. We have the user manual, the charger, and then the case that houses the toothbrush. The design looks sleek and modern with a matte black finish. It feels premium even though it is a budget-friendly toothbrush. The handle is lightweight but still has a solid build. The grip feels comfortable, so even if your hands are wet, you won't struggle to hold it. The button placement is intuitive. You have a single power button that also lets you switch between different function modes. The LED indicators in the front let you know which mode you are using, and beneath is where we have the port for charging the toothbrush. When it comes to operating this toothbrush, it is super simple. One press turns it on, and subsequent presses cycle through the different brushing modes, and long pressing the power mode turns it off. Using the toothbrush, the vibration is strong but it is not overly aggressive, which I like of course, and also the brush bristles are soft. Now let's talk about the brushing modes because this toothbrush has 5 of them. 1. The white mode, which is designed for deeper cleaning to help with discoloration. If you drink a lot of coffee or tea, this might be your go-to mode. 2. The clean mode, which is your standard everyday cleaning mode. It delivers 40,000 vibrations per minute, which is pretty powerful for a toothbrush in this price range. 3. The sensitive mode, which is a gentler option for people with sensitive gums. So if you usually find electric toothbrushes too harsh, then this mode is a lifesaver. 4. The polish mode. This setting works on surface stains, giving your teeth a bit more shine over time. 5. The massage mode. This one stimulates your gums with pulsating vibrations, which is great for overall gum health. One other cool feature I love about this toothbrush is the smart memory function, which means that this toothbrush remembers your last use mode, so you don't have to scroll through every time you turn it on. It also has a 2-minute auto timer with a 30-second reminder to help you brush evenly across different sections of your mouth. Also, this toothbrush is IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can rinse it under running water or even use it in the shower. And when it comes to the battery, when it's fully charged, it can take you up to 30 days on a single charge, which is super convenient, so no need for you to charge it every few days like some other electric toothbrush brands. In summary of this toothbrush review, honestly, for a budget-friendly electric toothbrush, this particular one is packed with a lot of good features that I like. For example, I like the multiple function modes, the strong vibration, a long-lasting battery life, and a sleek design. So if you're looking for an affordable upgrade from your mono toothbrush, I recommend checking this one out. Now, onto the king of today's reviews, a budget-friendly compact camera that claims to shoot in 4K. I got it for 71,000 naira, but for first-time Temu app users, you will get it for 28,000 naira. Just download the app using the link in the description of this video and get this camera and other products at amazing discounts. Now, for this camera, we will explore the unboxing experience, the build quality, the features of the camera, the pictures and the video performance, and so much more. The camera comes in this compact black box with the image of the camera displayed on it. It highlights the key features like the 4K Ultra HD video recording, autofocus, and a built-in flash lamp. The back of the box provides some technical details including a 48 megapixel photo resolution and various shooting modes. So the box is a simple yet functional design that sets your expectation for the product inside. Inside the box, we find a concise user manual to get you started, a 32GB micro SD card, an HD cable, a USB-C cable, a wrist strap, a camera lens cap, a small microfiber cloth for wiping the lens, and the camera itself neatly wrapped inside this bag. This camera is designed to be compact and portable. It is made of lightweight plastic with a matte finish that feels decent in the hand. While it doesn't have the premium feel of higher-end cameras, it is solid for its price. We have the power button, the shutter button, and the hot shoe mount for your light or your microphone attachment. On the right side of the camera, we have an HD interface, a USB-C data/charging port, and a 3.5mm jack for an external microphone. At the bottom, we have the slot for a micro SD card. At the back of the camera, we have a 3-inch LCD screen, navigation buttons, and a playback button. There is also a built-in flashlight that can also toggle on or off depending on the lighting conditions. Now, let's dive into the settings and features of this camera. This camera offers a range of modes. 1. We have the photo mode, which captures still images at maximum resolution of 48 megapixels. 2. The video mode, which records at 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p and 720p if you want smaller file sizes. 3. The night mode, which enhances low light photography, though the results may vary. 4. The burst mode that takes multiple shots in quick successions, that is great for action shots. The menu also allows you to adjust key settings like ISO, white balance, and exposure. You can toggle between auto, daylight, cloudy, and fluorescent white balance settings depending on the environment. The camera has basic filters and beauty modes to add a creative touch to your photos. When it comes to photography, this camera performs surprisingly well for its price. Its 48 megapixel resolution takes sharp and decent pictures under good lighting conditions. Portraits come out good, and the autofocus does a decent job of locking onto subjects. As you can see, the quality is not that bad. It even takes better pictures than most budget Android phones. However, in low light scenarios, you will notice some grains and reduced sharpness, even with night mode enabled. When it comes to video recording, from what we can see here, it records at maximum resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second. But honestly, from what I have seen so far, this camera clearly doesn't record up to 4K resolution, and it lacks depth of field. So basically, it is not a professional camera. However, the footage has natural colors and good details when taken in well-lit conditions. The camera lacks image stabilization also, so handheld shots can appear shaky. I did advise mounting it on tripod for a more stable footage. The camera is powered by a 500 mAh battery, which provides around 1 to 3 hours of continuous use depending on whether you are recording video or taking photos. The charging this camera is done via the USB-C ports by the side of the camera. When it comes to portability, this camera is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around for travel, vlogging, or casual photography. It fits comfortably in one hand, and with the included wrist strap, you can easily secure it while shooting on the go. Durability-wise, it is made of plastic, so it is not as rugged as professional cameras. I wouldn't recommend dropping it, but with regular care, it should hold up well. It doesn't have any weather sealing, so you should be cautious when using it in dusty or wet environments. In summary, I think this camera is more of a photo camera than it is a video camera, and it is just what it is. A basic budget camera for casual users, and definitely not for professional grade video and photography. So if you're out there looking for an affordable entry-level camera for casual use, or looking for a camera for your teenager, you should check out this camera. But if you're looking for a professional camera for high quality video production, you may want to invest in something with better stabilization and low light performance. Remember to download the Temu app using the link in the description of this video to get up to 200,000 Naira coupon bundle. Also, search for my code on the search bar as I am doing right now on the screen to get up to 70% off on my Temu picks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.